Without that research, you can really cause a lot of problems. Now, 7 years ago, I had torn the TFC ligament in my wrist, and I was faced with wearing a cast for 4 months. Now, a cast for a fracture is usually around 1 month. For ligament and then the surgery is usually 4 months. So it's a very different type of situation that I was facing. Now, I was facing wearing one of these horrible fiberglass casts, and I had a scuba diving trip coming up, and I wasn't going to miss my scuba trip. So we decided to hack the process. My doctor told me it was the stupidest thing he'd ever heard, and so we ignored that and hacked the process. The first thing we did is we took the CT data, the DICOM data from the scan, from the CAT scan of my wrist, and we parsed it for ligaments and tissue and bone, and then we 3D printed it so I could see what was going on in there. Then we took an external morphology scan based on a scanner that I designed and captured the outside of my arm. And then we mapped the X-ray data, the internal morphology DICOM data, and the other data, including bony prominences, blood flow, and nerves,